Well, how is everyone doing today? I hope that you're having a good one, whatever day you happen to be tuning in here. And as you can see, I've got my base down. This is Montmartre White mixed with just Floetrol. And I'm going to be using gold and black today. And I want to be, I'm going to do a Rinske Douna Dutch pour. She does beautiful Dutch pours. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, inspirational. And I want to do one, and let's see how she makes it look so simple. So let's see what kind of simplicity we get here. I'm going to be using, this is the black. This was also the Montmartre. Now this black is mixed with Floetrol and a teaspoon of water. So I really need it to flow well. Then I have Master's Touch Yellow Ochre. Now see, it's thickened up just a bit since I mixed it. So may add just another little teaspoon or half a teaspoon of water. Because you really, on the Dutch pour, you really need it to flow. Let's see if we need to do the same here. Maybe just another to the black. I mixed them up a little earlier and they thickened up, well not that much earlier, but they still thickened up. So note to everybody. Okay, that looks like it's got a nice, it could be a little bit more. So always when you add water, add in little increments, because you can always add more, but you cannot take it away. There, that looks perfect. Now this, the gold, I'm going to be using metallic gold. This is from the Hippie Crafter Ready Mix pouring collection. And look, it's already just as fluid as we need it. Okay, I'm going to get started here. Okay, now I have my more white mixed up. This is the same as what I did for the base. This is the Montmartre, except I did add a tablespoon of water to this one. And I'm going to align both sides of this. Oops, except I almost ran off there. Oopsie daisy. Now I've got my little hair dryer. I like this one. I know there's a lot of more expensive ones and all kinds of stuff, but this is my second one of these to have, and I really love it. It is a Revlon, and I like the little tool, directional tool on there. Now you want to put your setting on cool, because this is acrylic, and you can actually dry your piece with, a hair dryer. You get your paint too dry. You don't want to do that. So I'm going to put it on the cool setting. Okay, I've covered up a lot, and now we're going to blow it out. That's always a fun. Which way do you go first? Well, we're going to just get started. But, because I've got a lot of room on this is a 16 by 20 canvas. So. Oh, oh wow, this is looking really, 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 really nice. I love, look, I've got a lot of detail coming out here and up here. And I have a, where's my little toothpick? I see a little unwanted critter there. Oh, I like that so much. Wow. I love these colors. I can't, hold on, I can do this. I can't lean over and blow. I'm too short. See any other really bad places. Oh, that looks so pretty. So pretty. I love it. I was going to come and put just a little dab there, but I think I really like the negative. Let me stand back. Let me look. Let me look. I do like the negative space there. I do love my little straws. I'll try to remember to put the link. I have it on one of the previous videos. Now I'm going to see, oh Lord, okay, just close your eyes. I'm going to turn this around. Okay, I'm going to go for this corner, teeny weeny bits. Okay, so now this little corner, oh good, you can see that. Okay, I've got paint all over me from turning that around. Okay, now I really will stop here. Got gorgeous stuff going on here that didn't know was going to pop up. I really like that. Still have our negative space in here through here, which is just perfect. What I wanted. I love this piece. I love the gold, and I think I just wiped paint all over me on my face. I gotta stop doing that. But I love these colors. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed that because I enjoyed doing it. So let me hear your thoughts on it. And I know that Rinske Douna is an awesome fluid artist and that her Dutch pours are just beautiful, beautiful. But I must say, I'm really happy with the way this one turned out. I'm really pleased with it. So I want you to try it too. Like I said, it is pretty fun. I'm going to have all the descriptions below because you're going to want your paint to be pretty thin. My base was a teeny bit thicker because I was covering, especially because I was covering up one I had scraped off. But for the most part, it was the same mix, same formula, just left the water out of the base part. But anyway, thanks for being here, guys. I appreciate it so much. And let me know your thoughts and let me know what you're working on. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And I'll see you next time.